welcome back to Minsk, the capital of Belarus. Wow, oh my god!
Yeah, I like Belarus.
More than Russia?
Yeah, there are people more kind than Russian.
Hi, I'm Melody. I'm from China. I'm here studying master degree.
Finally, I arrived after 3 long months in Europe, and I'm very excited to be back to my city, to my country. Just yesterday, I arrived exactly here to the main bus station of Minsk. I arrived by bus from Vilnius. It was really long way. It took me in total about 9 hours on the roads, but still I made it. And those of you who want to come to Belarus by bus, check out this video on your screen. And if you want to come, for example, to Grodno or Brest from Minsk by bus, you have to exactly come here on the main bus station. Here, this is actually a bus which goes to the airport. And this is marsrutka, which goes to the airport as well. And what I really like about our main bus station here in Minsk is that just next to it there is a huge shopping mall called Galileo. It works every day without any days off from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. and during the weekend till 11 p.m. So it's a great place to grab some food, and later we will do that. You can watch also some movie there, you can buy some Belarusian souvenirs. Another cool thing which you can do in Galileo is to go to the cafe called Balcony, and from there you can see this beautiful view, which is the gates of Minsk, which you also can see right now behind me. This is a very famous place here in Minsk, and if you're here you definitely should check it out because it looks fantastic, especially in the night. Beautiful, right? And in front of this amazing place you can see the main train station of Belarus, of Minsk. So from here you as well can catch a train to maybe some other big cities of Belarus or some small towns like Baranovichi, for example. It's really amazing, it's huge. Just look at this, oh my god, it's really fantastic. What a building, eh? Look at the roof. So cool. During the Great Patriotic War, the railway station of Minsk was completely destroyed by German troops. And in 1944-1949, the station was actively restored. And in that form, it existed until 1991. After that, the construction of the modern station complex was started. It was completed just before the New Year night in 2000. There is also a place where you can grab some snack, and the name is Smaczny Perpinak. It's like a tasty stop. And in Belarus, most of the people are Orthodox by their religion. That's why many times you can see such kind of small places where you can buy some kind of icons. And I guess here is one of the best places for actually taking a selfie, because still you can see the gates of Minsk and the view is so insane. I just met these beautiful girls. They came to us from Russia. Let's ask them what they're doing here.
Мы приехали сюда на союзный турслет по спортивному туризму. Получается, 2 государства, Россия и Беларусь.
Спортивный туризм — это что
Да,
такое?
ну это что-то спортивное ориентирование такое.
Что-то типа скалолазания.
Да, что-то тяжелое.
В общем, вы сильные девочки.
Да.
Супер. И какие ваши мечты, какие планы на будущее?
Ну вот я планирую свою жизнь связать со спортом, посвятить этому жизнь. Буду учиться на тренера и стараться заниматься туризмом.
Супер. А у тебя?
Ну, примерно такая же. Не забрасывай спорт ни в коем случае.
But you know what? I guess it's time to eat something. I will take you back to Galileo since it's so close to the train station. We will go with you to Concourse, which is kind of a huge food court with different kind of restaurants, different cuisine. And I like very much the prices. It's very fair. Let's go there and get some food. And as you can see, the mall is quite big. So there are different kind of stores here, different cafes, but we are going to probably it's the last floor, and the place called Concourse. And before we get into Concourse, let me show you this beautiful place called Vasilki. It's in front of us right now. It's the place where you can taste Belarusian cuisine. It's really popular cafe, and you can find them all around Minsk. It's a national Belarusian style and national cuisine. I'm already super hungry, so let's grab some food. Look which kind of signs they have on the entrance. Ta-da-da-dam! Concourse. Food mall. They also have different kind of activities here during the day, and guess what, since it's Euro in Germany, they also do live streaming here. But I will show you another super cool place where you can always watch different kind of games and competitions, so be sure to watch this video till the end. And also it's quite popular among tourists, so you can see people from different kind of countries here as well. But also the reason for that is, of course, that it's just next to the bus station and also train station. But as I told you, there are really different kind of cuisines here. Pad Thai, Vietnamese, Hinkalnya, it's actually a Georgian cuisine. They also open it right now in Vilnius. Hello, you probably follow me, right? You can say something, I don't know, for the followers, like which kind of food you are doing, and so we can invite people. You can do that. And the station which you can see behind me is the place of a Lebanon person who live here in Belarus, and you can grab some amazing coffee on the stand there. It's quite a famous person here in Belarus as far as I know. He gave some interviews on our Belarusian TV, so yeah, he really enjoyed to stay here in our country.
Обжаркой, по-моему, именно кофе сам занимается. Сладости тоже сам готовит у нас кухня в Беларуси здесь. Так что это все по-честному свежее,
Приготовлено у нас. And I really like how this guy at Turkish station called Mangal prepare fish. They have some shashlik, tasty. You can see the cooking here. And look at the prices. I'm from Belarus, and you?
I'm from Russia, but currently I'm living in Belarus.
So you work here?
Remote.
Remotely. Why do you come from Russia to Belarus? You like it so much?
Because, yeah, I like Belarus.
More than Russia?
Yeah, there are people more kind than Russian.
Do you work like a programmer?
50-50, yeah,
okay.
Kind of.
Do you rent apartments in Minsk?
Yeah.
How much does it cost for you per month?
It costs around $800 per month.
What? 800?
Yeah.
It's really good. It's in Lebyaji over.
No, it's near Park Челюскинцев.
Wow, it's quite a lot of money, 800.
Yeah.
It's a good flat, yeah?
Yeah, great design, yeah.
Did you enjoy already nightlife of Minsk?
Yeah, I enjoy nightlife because there are a lot of streets, you know, like
Zybitskaya.
Yeah, Zybitskaya, where a lot of girls, a lot of guys, and they're so fun.
One of my favorite stations here is actually Vietnamese food. Oh my God, look at this. So big portions.
И я думаю, что только у нас есть, пока в Минске у нас самая вкусная кухня по Вьетнаму.
So my friends, I'm here ready to enjoy the food. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. So as far as I understand, I have to grab some sauce here and taste. And that was totally crazy because I didn't know that I have to actually pre-book the ticket for free on the website. But luckily I met a girl which shared with me another ticket which she had. So I'm inside and I already hear this amazing sound of the soccer. Wow, oh my God!
Четыре игрока молодого человека в матче по поводу.
And can you imagine that all this huge fun zone, it is completely for free? My friends, I hope you were enjoying this beautiful evening together with me in the capital of Belarus, in Minsk. I find it's totally amazing that people in Belarus can watch such kind of big sport events which are going on in Europe despite all of the sanctions here in Minsk, in Belarus. And if after watching this video you want to come to Belarus, then watch the video on the screen where I shared with you easy way to come to Belarus from Europe.